Hi, welcome to Season 1, Episode 1 of
Belch.
Today we're going to be talking about stuff like Christmas and its traditions.
So, we all know it's that time of year. It's December. Sleigh bells ringing, all that happy stuff. Well, around the Rushton household, since we were little kids, we have had many traditions involving Christmas itself. The night before Christmas, we read the book the night before Christmas, every year. And then we do something a little unorthodox. It's not, way out there, but it's an embarrassing family moment, We each go around, and each member of the family picks a song that has to do with Christmas. Then everybody in the family must sing that song to its entirety.
We rarely, if ever, make it past the first verse, and the other person who actually knows all of these songs are our mother.
Yeah, she seems to know all the songs in the Christmas repertoire.
No matter what they are.
Yeah. Christmas morning, our family has all the children stay in one bedroom so that the parents can come in the morning, and we're not allowed to leave that room Christmas morning until the parents are ready. It usually takes like 2 or 3 hours for them to get ready, so the kids are just dying in the bedroom waiting with the anticipation. It kind of sucks, but at the same time it's awesome because you know that you have presents waiting for you, and the parents come into our room with fresh cinnamon rolls and eggnog. That's what our parents have done, at least, throughout the years. And I plan on taking this on with me to my family in the future because it's a nice way to celebrate Christmas and, what it's all about, togetherness and humbling yourself by singing in front of your family members and letting them know how bad you truly are.
Yeah. Tell tone deaf and how little you know about the song you thought 5 seconds ago you could have sworn you knew the whole thing.
Right, exactly. It just ends up coming out with like mom singing. Yeah, so let us know in the comments below, what is your Christmas family tradition, and if you don't already have your own branch of your family, do you plan on taking that into the future with you or getting rid of it completely? If you do have your own branch of your own family, then do you do that now from traditions from your childhood? Leave comments below and let us know what those are. Now we're going to go to a more serious note. Hi.
In the eyes
we here at Belch
of the angels
would like to talk on a more serious note. Every day, struggling YouTubers like ourselves go without any likes, comments, or subscriptions. By liking, commenting, and subscribing to this channel, you can help save 2 YouTubers from having crappy videos and help turn this into something amazing. Thank you.
In the arms of the angels, Batman.
Okay, so now that that's over, we're going to go to our logo competition. We want all of the viewers, anybody that, watches this show and enjoys it, to, make us a creative logo. And you can go ahead and put the logo that you have created for us into the comments below. Why don't you explain a little bit about the terms of the competition?
It should be lasting, I think, about a week.
Yeah, till
Or
next
so?
Friday.
So next Friday, it can be whatever design you'd like, as long as it's appropriate. Be whatever color, any kind of design, just as long as it says Brain Belch in the picture, as kind of like a centerpiece of it. But other than that, design is completely up to you, and well, at the end of the week we'll be picking which one we think we like the most, and if not, then we're just going to use my design. And yeah, so send away.
So yeah, send us the pictures of your logos that you have created, and we'll choose between them. And you can also help us choose by liking other people's logos that they have posted. The winner of the logo competition at the end of the week will be announced on the show. Also, we will give you a free t-shirt for the winner with your logo created onto it, signed by me and Rees. So
sounds pretty.
that's some incentive right there. So you better get making if you want some t-shirting.
Yeah, please.
So if you like the show, put a like and comment at the bottom, because we need those. And, we love you. Also, hit subscribe if you want to see some more of these videos. As soon as they start coming out more and more, we're going to do these as much as possible. We have a Twitter page. It's brainbelch@gmail.com without the vowels. So brnblch@gmail.com. That's our Twitter page. Our Facebook is brnblch@gmail.com if you would like to be a part of those. Just follow us and catch up with our tweets, and it won't be, every second that we tweet, but it will be decently often.
And remember, think of all of this sad, terrible singing that just happened.
Alright, well, thanks for visiting us. We'll see you next time on
Brain Belch.